The temporomandibular joint is the true synovial joint, capable of gliding, hinging, sliding, and slight rotation movements. So the TMJ complex consists of condyle of the mandible, mandibular fossa, the articular tubercle of temporal bone, and the articular disc. Temporomandibular joint consists of two synovial membranes. One is the superior synovial membrane and the inferior synovial membrane. The condylar process of the temporomandibular joint is lined by fibrous tissues, primarily a hyaline cartilage, and the coronoid process of the temporomandibular joint provides insertion for the portions of temporalis and masseter muscle. So the ligaments which support the temporomandibular joint are extrinsic and the lateral ligaments. They are responsible for the connection between the mandible and the cranium. Extrinsic, lateral ligaments. So stylomandibular ligament does not contribute significantly to the strength of the joint, but sphenomandibular ligament passively bears the weight of the jaw, and it is also called as the swinging hinge of the mandible, because it causes protrusion, retrusion, as well as the elevation and depression of the jaw. So the vascular supply for the temporomandibular joint is through part of maxillary artery and its branches. And the nerve supply for the temporomandibular joint is through trigeminal nerve. Each branch of trigeminal nerve contains motor fibers which innervate muscles of mastication. Sensory fibers supply skin and subcutaneous tissue of the face. And the auricular fibers to the temporomandibular joint are sent by the auriculotemporal nerve. The articular disc and the articulating surface of the articular eminence and condyle are covered with dense connective tissue rather than hyaline cartilage that is avascular and non-innervated. And that's the end of this video. If you guys have any questions regarding this, please leave them in the comment section. If you want more dental lectures like these, please subscribe to SmartK3 Dentistry on YouTube, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at SmartK3 Dentistry. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.